It was a good place to stay. Lying in the center. Easy to walk to everything. We ordered the room very late, but there was no problem. Very nice staff. Breakfast could have been better. But in these corona times I do understand it. Hotel Ostseehalle Kiel by Premiere Classe, a charming stay in Kiel, Germany. Nestled in the heart of Kiel, Germany, Hotel Ostseehalle Kiel by Premiere Classe offers a delightful and comfortable stay for both business and leisure travelers. With its convenient location, this 3-star hotel provides easy access to the city's major attractions and vibrant cultural scene. Boasting 40 well-appointed rooms, guests can expect a cozy and relaxing ambience that guarantees a restful night's sleep. Check-in at Hotel Ostseehalle Kiel by Premiere Classe begins at 2 p.m., allowing guests to settle in and start their Kiel adventure without any hassle. The friendly and attentive staff are always ready to assist, ensuring a smooth and efficient check-in process. For those who wish to explore the city upon arrival, the hotel offers luggage storage facilities, allowing guests to freely roam and discover the wonders of Kiel. Guests can enjoy a leisurely morning before checking out, as Hotel Ostseehalle Kiel by Premiere Classe offers a generous checkout time until 12 p.m. This allows for a relaxed departure, ensuring guests have ample time to prepare for their onward journey. Whether it's catching a train or exploring more of Kiel, this flexible checkout time provides convenience and peace of mind. Families traveling with children will find Hotel Ostseehalle Kiel by Premiere Classe to be a welcoming and family-friendly accommodation option. The hotel's child policy allows children between the ages of 3 to 12 to stay free of charge, making it an ideal choice for families seeking a budget-friendly stay in Kiel. With spacious rooms and comfortable amenities, both parents and children can enjoy a pleasant and memorable experience at this charming hotel. Convenient amenities for a comfortable stay at Hotel Ostseehalle Kiel by Premiere Classe. Hotel Ostseehalle Kiel by Premiere Classe offers a range of convenience facilities to ensure a comfortable and hassle-free stay for its guests. With free Wi-Fi available in all rooms and public areas, guests can stay connected and browse the internet with ease. Whether you're traveling for business or leisure, this feature allows you to stay connected with loved ones or catch up on work effortlessly.